Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile.
We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.